Here is a puzzle about two cousins. Their ages add up to 30, and one cousin is 4 years older than the other. How old is each cousin?
Oh, that one is easy. 30 splits right in half. So they are both 15, right? Wait, one of them is older than the other. Pause the video and try it yourself. Can they both be the same age if one is older?
Here is the trick. Start with the total of their ages. The total is 30. Now, cut that total exactly in half. 30 split in half is 15. That middle number is the average age. It is the point both ages sit around. Now think about the gap. One cousin is 4 years older. That gap splits evenly around the middle. Half of it sits below the middle, and half sits above. Half of 4 is 2. So step down from the middle to find the younger one. 15 take away 2 is 13. Then step up from the middle to find the older one. 15 add 2 is 17. So one cousin is 13 and the other is 17.
Let me check with my neck. 13 and 17 add up to 30. That matches the total. And 17 take away 13 is 4. That matches the gap. The middle held them both, and the gap was 4 all along.
This is the big idea. Meet in the middle. If you know the sum and the gap of two ages, then each age is the sum divided by 2 plus or minus half the gap. They sit evenly on each side of the average. Look for a total of 2 ages plus how much older one of them is. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.